name is Ilan. I've been doing Scratch with Kitty Coders for about 7 months now. So this is my entry for the competition project. So let me share my screen. Also share computer sound. So this is the code for the bunny. So this is the code for the berry, the energy bar, and one of the foxes, the other another fox, and the last fox. So for the backdrops, this is the code. So there are 2 backdrops, the main backdrop, which is the 4th backdrop, and there's also the game over backdrop. So there are background noises in this game, which I added. So there are forest noises, so the game wouldn't be completely silent and not awkward. So first, the forest noises were like really loud and they made your ears hurt, but I muted them a bit. So for the bunny, there are squeaks. He squeaks every few seconds. And so the main objective of the game is to not get eaten by the foxes, but also have enough energy to run. So, that's the purpose of the energy bar. So if the bunny runs too far, he loses energy, but eating the strawberries restores it, or the berries, whatever you call it, so they restore the energy. And so, yeah, here's the game. I hope you... It gets harder over time, so... Okay, and so that is my game. So thank you very much, and I hope that you liked it.